Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India, where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. Today is episode 17 in that series and we are trying out Siddu from Himachal, Pradesh. To watch the earlier episodes in this series, I'll leave a link above. Please click and watch the other episodes. So the detailed ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Please do check it out before you start. So let's have a look at the ingredients required for the outer cover of the Siddu. I've got in here 2 cups of whole wheat flour and salt to taste. In here I've added 1 teaspoon of yeast, to which I've added some lukewarm water and a pinch of sugar, and the yeast is mixed well. I've let it sit for a few minutes. Now we'll pour this yeast mixture into the whole wheat flour. Now we'll use some lukewarm water to make a dough. We'll pour water little by little and mix everything together. So the soft dough is ready. I'm going to take a wet cloth, cover the dough and let this ferment for at least 1 hour. For the Siddu stuffing, I've got in here black dal or Urad Dal with its skin on, which I've left to soak in water for 5 to 6 hours. After it's soaked well, we'll just remove the skin by rubbing it between our palms. So after removing the skin of the Urad Dal or the black dal, I've made it a thick paste like this and kept it in a bowl. We'll add a few masalas into this before we stuff it. So while the Siddu dough is fermenting, I've got the Urad Dal mixture and I'm going to add some turmeric and coriander powder to this. We need to add salt, but we'll add the salt only once we are ready to stuff the Siddu. We'll mix all of this together. So I've mixed everything well and kept it in the bowl. Let's start working on the Siddu. So after fermenting for an hour, the dough looks like this. It's risen a little bit. Now what we're going to do is just knead it once more. And smooth it out. Divided the dough into 4 portions. Let's start working on it. Let's just pick one. Rest we leave with the wet cloth on. So roll the dough in your hand like this. Flatten it out and make a cavity like that. So it's like this. Now into this cavity we'll fill the dal mixture. Before filling it, let's add salt. I've got the cavity in here. Let's fill it with some dal. Once the dal is stuffed, close the Siddu dough from all sides. Like that. And roll it into a bun shape. bring all ends together. Make sure there are no cracks. Again, roll it between your palms. Like that. And slightly flatten it. Siddu is ready. Let me make the rest of them. So to make the Siddu, I have placed them on a steamer plate and I have the steamer on fire. Now we'll just place a cloth on top of the Siddu, like that, and then we'll steam this for 15 minutes. So I had to keep the Siddus on fire on the steamer for around 25 minutes. 15 minutes is the minimum time required. Check if it's done and then keep it for longer if required. So the Siddu is ready. You can see it's all spongy and has become like a bun. So this is ready to be served. When you cut it open, it will be like this, like a bread, very spongy. And it's ready to be served. So that's Siddu ready for you. This can be served with some ghee and dal. It's a very yummy breakfast and very healthy too since it's steamed. So I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I see you next time, bye bye.